Okay, student. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. All the students must write their ID. Who want to attend the class, they must write their ID. There is some students who are not writing their ID. I am not going to enter them into the class. I am sending them the message on the uh, okay, students. This is our calculus class, calculus and analytical geometry. And the class ID is 106219. Class ID is 106219 and the course is Calculus and Analytical Geometry. So first of all, I will tell you the books, which books we will use in the course. This is the book, Thomas Calculus and 11th edition. Thomas Calculus, 11th edition. This is the textbook. I will write on the board. And this is basic technical mathematics with calculus. Basic technical mathematics with calculus. That book you have already learned in the previous course, algebra and trigonometry. Again, we will use some topics are there in this book. We will use some topics from this book. So I will write both the books, and the third book is Engineering Mathematics by K.S. Stroud. I will write on the book on the board. Another student came, Hassan Ahmad. Books. Thomas Calculus. Eleventh edition. Thomas Calculus, 11th edition. Number 2. This is the textbook. Thomas Calculus we will use as a textbook. Basic technical mathematics. With calculus. By Peter Kofitting. This book you have already used in your previous course, Algebra and Trigonometry. The third one is Engineering Mathematics. By K.A. Stroud. This is the textbook. These two are the reference books. But generally we use these two books, not the third one. So these are the books which will be used in our course. Thomas Calculus, Basic Technical Mathematics, and Engineering Mathematics. Now I am telling you about the mass distribution.
Hello.
Yes. Another student came. Ali Muhammad. One. Mass distribution as usual. Quizzes and assignments. $20. Midterm 30 marks. Final 50 marks. The total 100 marks. There will be two quizzes. There will be two quizzes. Each quiz carrying 5 marks. And the time for each quiz will be 15 minutes. Quizzes will be taken in the class. Quizzes will be taken during the class. Assignment and the time for the quizzes will be given 15 minutes. Assignments will be given and 2 assignments and each assignment 5 marks. So 2 assignments will be 10 marks and that will be given, and you are given almost 2-3 days to submit the assignment. For the assignment there will be 2-3 days will be given, and for the quizzes it will be taken in the class and 15 minutes will be the time. So there will be 2 quizzes 5 marks each, so 10 marks. 2 assignments 5 marks each, there will be 10 marks, so total 20 marks for quizzes and assignments. In the same way, midterm will be 30 marks, and it will be 2 hours paper. 2 hours paper, 30 marks. Final, 3 hours paper, 50 marks. Midterm and final will be conducted by the examination department, and they will be scheduled. You will be given the schedule for the midterm as well as for the final examination. But quizzes and assignment, that will be given by me, and I will tell you almost 1 week before for the quizzes. For example, if I will take your quiz next week, so this week I will tell you that next week will be the quiz. And for the assignment, I will also tell you in the during the class, and it will be uploaded. Quizzes, assignments, midterm, final, all will be uploaded on the LMS. You will find the papers, you will find the assignments, you will find the quizzes on the LMS. And you have to submit on the LMS as well. Taimur Tani. Okay. So you will find quizzes and assignments, midterm and final on the LMS. Quizzes, assignments, midterm, final, you will find on the LMS, and you have to submit their solutions on the LMS in PDF format. You must do the practice for the PDF format. How to convert the PDF format quickly. You must do the practice so that you will find enough time for the converting into the PDF format. You will do on the A4 size paper. It is better to do A4 size paper. It may be ruled paper or it may be the plain paper. That depends upon you, but the size, it is better if you use the A4 size paper, plain or ruled. No problem. It may be ruled paper or it may be plain paper, but size should be A4 size. So you'll solve the paper, you'll solve the quizzes, you will solve the assignments, you will solve the midterm, you will solve the final on those papers. A4 size paper, take the image and then convert into PDF format and submit on the LMS within the time. Don't wait for the last moment. When you are doing the quizzes or you are doing the assignment or you are doing the midterm or you are doing the final, just quickly solve them and take the images, convert into the PDF format and then submit quickly as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last moment, because we are using the machines, we are using the our laptop or computers or our mobile cell phone. So anytime network may so Muhammad Shoaib. So we are living in Pakistan. There are so many problems. Sometimes the electricity problem, sometimes the network problem, etc. So don't wait for the last moment. Try to submit as soon as possible, as quickly as possible. Don't wait for the last moment. Okay. So these are the instructions. Now we are starting our lesson today. Today we are doing the complex number. You have done in the previous course, algebra and trigonometry. Here we are doing the revision.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Walaikum Assalam.